Take command of the road in the 2018 Honda Pilot. This vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling.
It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Confidence and poise are expressed throughout the exterior. Alloy wheels sit inside the fenders, yielding an attractive, well-proportioned stance. A rear spoiler is included, providing athletic, sporty flair.
8 passengers fit comfortably thanks to the generous interior space. You'll notice that the headroom and legroom make even the longest drives enjoyable. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, skid plates, and remote keyless entry.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
The 2018 Honda Pilot. Upping the standards associated with full-size SUVs.